Hey guys, it's Shawn. Have you ever heard of microeducation? No? Buckle up, it's gonna rock your world. Let's talk about your personal brand. It's cooler than you think. You've got this thing called a personal brand. Yeah, it sounds fancy, but guess what? It's just your unique vibe and your knowledge. So grab your phone right now and write down that one cool thing you did or you learned last week. That's a start to building your personal brand. Social media is always a plus. It's not just for cat video, guys. By show of hands, who's on social media? Dude, it's more than just memes. It's your stage. Choose your battlefield, whether it be Twitter, Instagram, wherever. Share that one awesome thing you noted down earlier, and then go do it. Think about this. You have $1 million idea, and it's right here in your head. Imagine having a gold mine up there. That crazy idea you had during your last shower could be pure gold. So for the next 7 days, every time a cool idea pops up, write it down. Do it at the end of the week. You'll see you have a gold mine of ideas in your head. And how are you going to get it out there? Either by a quick chat or a deep dive. I say do both. Quick tweets or long rants, why not do both? Share your morning coffee thoughts and occasionally dive deep. You into tweeting? Cool, do that. But once in a blue moon, make it longer, tell a story, share your passion. And the last piece of the pie is education. Not that boring school stuff. I'm talking about juicy knowledge bites in business. Do you have a special trick up your sleeve? A cool hack? Share it, man. Make a quick bid or jot it down. Help somebody out. I'm telling you, you will. So that's my quick breakdown on microeducation. It's fun and it's the future. Dive into it and get to go. If this video sparked you, it helped you out, man, hit that like button for me and subscribe for more cool ideas and tips just like this. Again, my name is Shawn. Thank you for your time and you have a great day.